We have some urgent and important updates to talk about in the crypto market today because the crypto prices are looking interesting long term. I'm feeling bullish about crypto, and I want to update you guys on some important things that are happening in the crypto market that you should be aware of, especially if you want to make money in crypto. So make sure to hit the thumbs up button. As always, not financial advice. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I want to let you guys know is the Bitcoin price right now. It's looking quite strong. So we've had a couple of leg ups right here. You can see recently we did touch that that recent high of around 28,500. There was a bit of a taper off just recently here. You can see the decrease in the Bitcoin price, but right now there's a little bit of an ascent happening with Bitcoin. So quietly it is building in the background, and this is looking bullish. And into some bullish news right here coming out of CZ. He says, seeing Peter Schiff convert makes me happy. So if you guys don't know Peter Schiff, he is a very interesting economist in the USA, and he's one of the biggest Bitcoin fudders in the world. But one thing he is looking into, because he is seeing the potential in it, his tweet was around here somewhere. It has to do with Bitcoin ordinals. So have a look at this. I'm pleased to announce an art project with one of my favorite artists, Market Price. This collaboration features the original painting Golden Triumph, as well as a series of prints and ordinals inscribed on the Bitcoin blockchain. For more information, go to onemarketprice.com/golden. So what is he talking about right there? So Bitcoin ordinals, this is a very new area of cryptocurrency. We actually had a crypto that we sponsored one on the channel that we spoke about. It was a Pepe crypto going onto the ordinals, and but this is a very new interesting area of crypto. So if you want to make money in crypto, you have to learn about these new areas. And if you're not aware of Bitcoin ordinals, we'll just put it into a little bit of a brief right here. And it says an ordinal is a piece of information written to the Bitcoin blockchain and referenced by a unique address, also held in the blockchain data structure. And it says here an ordinal is actually stored in a Bitcoin block. So while Bitcoin or any of its forks live, the data is there. The only way for it to vanish is for Bitcoin to stop existing and for every instance of the blockchain to be erased. This is nigh on impossible. So guys, ordinals are a big area of crypto to definitely pay attention to. If you got Peter Schiff going into ordinals, it is an area, and it does have that meme kind of value behind it. So sometimes, you know, we check out meme cryptocurrencies on the channel. I'll have another Pepe update and some meme coin updates after this video. But you know, one of the things that gives these other cryptos value, like Dogecoin, is, you know, if another group of people want Dogecoin, that actually gives it value. So humans derive value from what other humans want. It's as simple as that. And with Bitcoin ordinals, you know, very unique, written on the blockchain, and it does have that artistic value behind it. So when you're thinking about Dogecoin, you know, you can think about artwork to some degree, limited artwork, or even Pepe cryptocurrency. So it's got that collectible value behind it. When you go into art, you know, some pieces of art can sell for like 10 million, 20 million, $30 million because it's limited in supply, even though the utility isn't there. Maybe it's just a very rare painting, you know, with some artistic value behind it. But that is kind of the meme value, the enigma value behind some of these meme coins right here. On to some other big news. So welcome to Dubai. And so CZ and also the Winklevoss twins are in Dubai. If you guys don't know Dubai, one of the crypto epicenters of the world. I think it's going to be huge in the next 5 years for crypto over there. And there is also some big news happening with Binance.com. So it looks to be going into Japan and other areas of the economy. So this is actually quite bullish. And it says here, Binance looking to invest in banks to encourage pro-crypto policies. So CZ of Binance, you guys know he's got tons of money, and potentially he might just start buying up the banks to push pro-crypto regulation. So you guys may have known in Australia, you know, Binance is effectively, from a practical point of view, you know, it's going to be very hard to use that exchange without fiat on-ramps. But, you know, could potentially seize out of Binance, buy up some banks around the world, maybe in the US, maybe in other countries out there, and really push some pro-crypto policies. That is something to definitely watch out for in the crypto market coming up. Also, something else important to pay attention to is watch out for the rise of Nvidia, watch out for the rise of AI. I have been talking about this on the channel, but AI does have big potential. It is looking to be a bit of a game changer. There's also some very exciting AI crypto projects out there to pay attention to as well. well. There is now a gold rush for, you know, processing chips, video card chips as they look to power AI supercomputers and things like that. So just watch out for that from a bit of a tech perspective. And if we do take a look at the crypto bubbles today, you guys can see a little bit of a mixed day on the market, but I'm actually feeling quite bullish long term about crypto right now. So some winners, some, you know, staying flat right here. And if we actually jump back to the Bitcoin price, you guys can see right here, if we actually zoom out on a bit of a longer term macro scale right here, this last upswing is looking good. So you guys know there was a lot of FUD in the market with the debt ceiling in the US. So debt ceiling, that's kind of blowing over now for the next 2 years, which is bullish. And but one thing I am personally predicting on, I still think there's going to be a lot of inflation in the economy. So again, if they're raising the debt ceiling, that's more money printing, more money spending. And that just means, you know, ultimately who pays the bill for this? You know, your average person pays the bill when they're going to the grocery store, filling up their cars with petrol, gasoline. The prices of things may go up in the future. But long term, I'm staying bullish on crypto. Long term, I'm staying bullish on Bitcoin right here because again, Bitcoin limited in supply, alternative money supply to the US dollar. And I think long term, we are looking good. So who knows, maybe this time next year, maybe next year, once the Bitcoin halving happens, we could be looking at some very explosive Bitcoin prices. And that's going to push up the rest of the altcoins in the market. But guys, that is a very big update to watch out for. Some good things happening in the crypto market. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button. I'm staying long-term bullish in crypto. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Crypto Zeus signing out.